Welcome back, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the last video. So today's going to be a bit of a just bits and bobs. So to start off, we've got a midsection. Hold that cam. A midsection with a sports cat down there, because my cat is corroded, like the connection, so it's blowing all the time. So yeah, get that on. We've got a couple of steering wheels put on mine and Cam's car. What else have we got for do today? We've got some LED lights that stick in on the dash, and I think that's about it today, because we're still waiting on some parts. But yeah, we're going to do that. We've got the car jacked up nice and safe. His jack stands under there. So yeah, we're going to get that on, and then I might actually lower it a tiny bit as well, because it needs probably about ½ inch, and I think it should be about bang on, because I need to get some new tyres for my wheels. And then I can get some, these will be my drift spurs, and then I've got some other wheels in the back ready. So yeah, let's get cracking. Just before we crack on with today's video, there's about 60 to 70% of you are not subscribed who've watched my videos, so please could you go down and hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. We're trying to hit like 800 subscribers soon, so yeah, if you please want to subscribe, just hit down on the subscribe button, please. Thank you. It might drop, so right, so really easy this for me because I've had it out before. But yeah, this flange here has all corroded away, so it were causing, as you can see, there's a corrosion. It were causing a leak, an exhaust leak. So I did just shove loads of exhaust paste in it for the time being, but I blew it the other day. On my first ever video, I blew it again because I was hitting on it hard. So, oh, pardon me. So, changing it. So yeah, we get it back on. Spam it. Now it's this one. It's going to be the nightmare. The problem child. Right, so that's in. No exhaust leaks. It's I think it's a tiny bit louder. I don't think it's much louder because the cat that was on it was leaking quite a lot. So yeah, I think it's alright, to be honest. Give it a little blip. Yeah, but at least it's not leaking now. But yeah, let's show you the finished product if I can. Looking absolutely beautiful. So all I need now is a catback, which I don't really need for the time being, and they're expensive. So, well, I don't actually need it, I'm not getting it, but once I do get that, I'll have a full stainless system. So yeah, right, so next thing, I think I'm about, what, bring her up, well, yeah, drop her 1/2 inch, I reckon, and then see where we go from there. So yeah, see you in the next bit. WD. Right, so we got the car to how we want it, ride height. I'll show you now. I need it a bit higher than slammed, because getting on my drive and the speed bumps around it are ridiculous. So yeah, so this is the height it's gonna sit at. A bit of a gap, but it is what it is. And at the rear's a bit of a smaller gap, but yeah, it actually sits fine. It looks mint. It's not too much slammed, but it is lower than a normal car, should I say. So yeah, and I've just fitted my steering wheel. We're fitting camis now. We forgot to record it. So I've got my new steering wheel in, called pink because I'm going pink themed. That's why I've got my pink calipers, but they don't do a dark pink, so I might get a light pink, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, we've got that steering wheel's done. Let me flip it round. Yes, that steering wheel's done. We're going to do camis now. So show the process on this one, and then that's it for today. So yeah, see you on the next clip. Focus. Okay. Right, so we're just going to disconnect his battery, because we can't be arsed with an airbag going up in our faces. So, a minute. Ooh, look at this. Standard engine. Beautiful. Needs a good clean. So yeah, let's get that off. Jesus, there we go. That's off. Right, so what are you doing?
Need an Allen key.
You taking these off? Take the top one first, top one pop off. There you go. There we go, out the airbag hole.
Yeah.
Make sure your wheel's straight. Come on. You need to go right.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Nice and straight.
Boosh. Do I need this?
No, I just pulled it. Just pull it. Snapped it off. There's going to be no horn because we've got cheap hubs, so we're going to have to buy probably an NRG hub, to be honest, because the NRG hub has the metal on the back, so we can create the horn. But for the time being, it's only a 2-minute job in it for pull it off. We're just going to use these hubs. So yeah, right, he's got that off. Right, go on, turn the car on.
So.
Airbag light. Off. Buzzing. Oh, yours clipped in. You done lining it up. Right, so we've just tighten it last bits up now, not over tighten them. Oh, it looks mint, that. In red. You've got a green and red theme coming, haven't you?
Yeah.
With blue lights. Talk down to spec then.
Yeah. Right, Elisa.
Yeah, man. Show 'em that.
Oh yeah.
Right, so in today's video we put my sports cat on midsection, lowered the car about 1/2 inch, and now it's bang on. Stiffened it all up as well, ready, well, on the shocks, and done my steering wheel and Cammy's steering wheel. So yeah, we're getting there. Only a couple, well, I'm hoping there's a drift day in February that I can get onto. So we've got a radiator to do, that's coming up soon because my radiator's gone and I've ordered it, but I need a power steering pump as well, so that's on its way. So we'll be doing that at the same time in the next couple of weeks. I've got my welded diff to do, I've got to put my strut base back on, and I've got to get some tyres for my new wheels, and then I've got my my wheels that are on now are going to be my drift spurs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.